Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile image on Twitter. So if you want to change your profile picture or your main user image in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select Profile on the left panel and then select Edit Profile. At this point, go ahead where your little profile icon is and select the little Add Photo button. At this point, go ahead and upload whatever image you want to be set as your default profile photo. You can adjust the scale and cropping here as well. And then once you're done, you would select apply and it would save the change. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.